Hello and welcome to Entities of Earth. Today we will begin exploring the potentials of functional mushrooms, starting with the reishi. These mushrooms have long captivated human interest with their striking appearance and potent medicinal properties. In this episode, we embark on a comprehensive exploration of these remarkable fungi, uncovering their appearance, life cycle, natural habitats, health benefits, and culinary uses. Reishi mushrooms, scientifically known as Ganoderma lucidum, are renowned for their distinctive appearance and unique characteristics. Here are some key features. Reishi mushrooms typically have a shiny reddish-brown to dark brown cap that is kidney-shaped or fan-shaped. The surface of the cap is smooth and glossy, often resembling varnished wood or lacquer. The underside of the cap usually features a porous or spore-bearing surface, with tiny pores or tubes through which spores are released. Reishi mushrooms have a tough and leathery texture, making them resistant to decay and capable of withstanding harsh environmental conditions. While the size of reishi mushrooms can vary, they generally range from a few centimeters to over 30 centimeters in diameter. The color of reishi mushrooms can vary depending on factors such as age, environmental conditions, and species variation. Common colors include shades of red, brown, orange, and black. The flesh of reishi mushrooms is usually white or light-colored and woody in texture, with a slightly bitter taste. Reishi mushrooms typically grow singly or in small clusters on hardwood trees, stumps, or decaying wood. They are often found in forests, woodlands, and mountainous regions. While reishi mushrooms can be found year-round in some regions, they are most commonly observed during the autumn months when environmental conditions are favorable for fruiting. Reishi mushrooms are known for their longevity, with some specimens surviving for several years or even decades under the right conditions. Reishi mushrooms are revered for their potent medicinal properties and have been used for centuries in traditional medicine systems such as traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, and Ayurveda. They are rich in bioactive compounds such as polysaccharides, triterpenes, and antioxidants, which are believed to confer various health benefits. Overall, reishi mushrooms are easily recognizable by their glossy caps, tough texture, and vibrant colors, making them a prize find for foragers and mushroom enthusiasts alike. The life cycle of the reishi mushroom follows the typical pattern of most fungi, consisting of several distinct stages. The life cycle begins with the dispersal of spores from mature reishi mushrooms. These spores are produced in the spore-bearing structures located on the underside of the mushroom's cap. When conditions are favorable, such as after rain or during high humidity, the spores are released into the surrounding environment. When a reishi spore lands on a suitable substrate, such as dead or decaying wood, it germinates to form a thread-like structure called a hypha. These hyphae grow and branch out, forming a network known as mycelium, which spreads throughout the substrate. As the mycelium continues to grow and spread, it colonizes the substrate, breaking down organic matter and absorbing nutrients. Reishi mushrooms are typically found growing on hardwood trees, stumps, or decaying wood, where they play a vital role in the decomposition process. Under the right environmental conditions, such as high humidity and sufficient nutrients, the mycelium begins to develop a fruiting body, or mushroom. The fruiting body of the reishi mushroom consists of a stem-like structure, known as the stipe, and a cap, which contains the spore-bearing structures on its underside. As the fruiting body matures, it undergoes changes in size, shape, and color. The cap of the reishi mushroom typically develops a glossy, reddish-brown to dark brown coloration, while the underside features a porous surface with spore-producing structures. Once the fruiting body reaches maturity, it releases spores into the surrounding environment. These spores are dispersed by wind, water, or other means, allowing the life cycle of the reishi mushroom to continue. After releasing spores, the mature fruiting body of the reishi mushroom eventually begins to senesce and decay. As it decomposes, it returns nutrients to the soil, completing the cycle of life and supporting the growth of new organisms. Throughout its life cycle, the reishi mushroom plays a crucial role in ecosystem processes such as nutrient cycling and decomposition, while also providing medicinal benefits and cultural significance to human societies. Reishi mushrooms are found in a variety of temperate regions around the world, typically thriving in forested areas with abundant hardwood trees. Reishi mushrooms have a wide geographical distribution and can be found in temperate regions across the globe. They are native to parts of Asia, including China, Japan, Korea, and Southeast Asia. Reishi mushrooms also occur naturally in North America, Europe, and other regions with suitable environmental conditions. Reishi mushrooms prefer environments with moist, humid climates and ample rainfall. They are commonly found growing on hardwood trees, particularly species such as oak, maple, beech, and birch. Reishi mushrooms are often observed on fallen logs, stumps, or the bases of living trees, where they colonize decaying wood and contribute to the decomposition process. Reishi mushrooms are an integral part of forest ecosystems, where they play a vital role in nutrient cycling and soil health. They are often found in old-growth forests, woodlands, and mountainous regions with diverse plant communities. Reishi mushrooms benefit from the shade and protection provided by the forest canopy, as well as the moisture and organic matter present in the forest floor. While reishi mushrooms can be found year-round in some regions, they are most commonly observed during the autumn months. Fall is typically a favorable time for fruiting, as environmental conditions such as cooler temperatures and increased humidity stimulate the growth and development of mushrooms. However, reishi mushrooms may also fruit sporadically throughout the year in response to local environmental cues. In addition to their natural habitat, reishi mushrooms are cultivated in controlled environments for commercial production. Cultivated reishi mushrooms are grown on substrates such as sawdust, wood chips, or grain, allowing for year-round harvests and consistent quality. Cultivation practices have expanded the availability of reishi mushrooms and made them more accessible to consumers worldwide. Overall, reishi mushrooms are adaptable fungi with a broad ecological range, thriving in diverse forest ecosystems and contributing to the health and vitality of their natural habitats. Their widespread distribution and cultural significance reflect their enduring appeal and importance across different regions and cultures. Reishi mushrooms have been treasured for centuries in traditional medicine for their purported health benefits and medicinal properties. Here are some of the potential health benefits associated with reishi mushrooms. Reishi mushrooms contain compounds like polysaccharides and triterpenes, which are believed to enhance immune function. These compounds may stimulate the production of white blood cells, such as T cells and macrophages, which play a crucial role in fighting infections and diseases. Studies suggest that reishi mushrooms possess anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce inflammation throughout the body. chronic inflammation is linked to various health conditions, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Reishi mushrooms are rich in antioxidants, such as triterpenoids and polysaccharides, which can help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. By reducing oxidative stress, reishi mushrooms may protect cells from damage and lower the risk of chronic diseases. Some research indicates that reishi mushrooms may have beneficial effects on cardiovascular health by lowering blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and triglycerides. These effects could potentially reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Reishi mushrooms are believed to support liver health by promoting the elimination of toxins and enhancing liver function. This may be attributed to compounds like triterpenes, which have been shown to have hepatoprotective properties. Traditional Chinese medicine suggests that reishi mushrooms may have calming effects on the mind and body, which could help improve sleep quality and alleviate insomnia. These effects may be due to the presence of compounds that promote relaxation and reduce stress. Some studies suggest that reishi mushrooms may have anti-cancer properties, including the ability to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and enhance the body's natural defense mechanisms against cancer. However, more research is needed to fully understand the potential role of reishi mushrooms in cancer prevention and treatment. It's essential to note that while reishi mushrooms have been used for centuries in traditional medicine and show promise in various health areas, more high-quality research, including human clinical trials, is needed to confirm their efficacy and safety for specific health conditions. As with any supplement or herbal remedy, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating reishi mushrooms into your routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Reishi mushrooms can be prepared and incorporated into various culinary and therapeutic creations. Here are some popular ways to prepare and enjoy reishi mushrooms. One of the simplest and most traditional methods of consuming reishi mushrooms is by brewing them into a tea. To make reishi tea, simply simmer dried reishi slices in water for an extended period to extract the beneficial compounds. You can enhance the flavor by adding other herbs or sweeteners if desired. Reishi mushrooms can also be prepared as a tincture or extract, which concentrates their medicinal properties for easy consumption. Tinctures are typically made by soaking dried reishi slices in alcohol or another solvent for several weeks, then straining the liquid for use. Reishi extracts are available commercially in liquid or capsule form. Reishi mushrooms can be incorporated into various culinary dishes, adding a unique flavor profile and nutritional boost. They're often sliced thinly and added to soups, stews, stir-fries, and pasta dishes. Reishi mushrooms can also be dried, ground into a powder, and used as a seasoning or supplement in sauces, marinades, and dressings. Reishi mushrooms can be simmered with other ingredients to create a flavorful and nourishing broth. Combine dried reishi slices with vegetables, herbs, and spices, and simmer them in water or broth for several hours to extract the flavors and nutrients. This broth can be enjoyed on its own, or used as a base for soups, sauces, and risottos. For a refreshing and nutritious beverage, add reishi mushroom powder or extract to smoothies, juices, teas, or coffees. Blend reishi with other ingredients like fruits, vegetables, yogurt, or plant-based milk for a delicious and energizing drink packed with health benefits. If you prefer a convenient and consistent dosage of reishi mushrooms, consider taking them in capsule or supplement form. Reishi supplements are available in health food stores and online retailers. offering a convenient way to incorporate the benefits of Reishi into your daily routine. Experiment with different preparation methods to discover your favorite way to enjoy the health benefits and unique flavor of Reishi mushrooms. Whether brewed into a soothing tea, simmered in a nourishing broth, or blended into a delicious smoothie, Reishi mushrooms offer a versatile and delicious addition to your culinary repertoire. In conclusion, Reishi mushrooms stand as a testament to the remarkable synergy between nature and human health. From their striking appearance and intricate life cycle to their profound historical significance and diverse health benefits, these fungi continue to inspire awe and admiration. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of Reishi mushrooms, let us embrace their potential to nurture both body and soul, forging a deeper connection with the natural world. Remember, every like, subscribe, and share helps support the channel and allows me to dedicate more time to creating quality content for you. Your support means the world to me, and I can't thank you enough for being a part of this journey.